7 unique online business ideas. So, you want to start an online business? You have surfed the web, read some blogs and have found that lots of people are making some decent mullah. But you are frustrated due to the lack of any new idea. Don't worry. There are still many ideas that you can implement using a little money, lots of efforts, and some persistency. Idea number 1. Think about your hobby. What you would like to do in your spare time. Maybe you like to go hunting or scuba diving. Maybe you want to make dolls. List some of the annoyances and inconveniences you encounter while pursuing your hobby. Search in Google to find solutions to your problems and then write a small ebook. Sell the ebook using clickbank.com. Idea number 2. If you are an artist, crafter, or designer, check out Etsy.com. You create your own shop by signing up for free. Listing an item with photos cost 20 cents. The selling fee is 3.5% of the final sale price. You can accept payment through PayPal. Now, idea number 3. Start a blog. But don't start a blog on making money. Find your niche and sign up for free at Blogger to create your blog. You need to select a name for your blog. Select the name of your blog carefully. Write down half a dozen names that tell something about your blog topic. Check out those names using the Overture keyword selector tool for search popularity. Use a name that people search at least more than 1,000 times every month. Idea number 4. If you decide to use the number 3, starting a blog, method to generate incomes, sign up with ReviewMe, PaperPost, and Chitika for writing paid reviews of other companies' products and services. This will supplement your Google's AdSense incomes. Number 5. If you are good at computer programming, write a simple online tool, example. Calculating carbon footprint of your visitors, or total body fat. You get the idea. The program should be simple to use and easy to develop. Build a website around your tool and sign up with affiliate programs for revenue generation. Idea number 6. If you frequently go on short trips or vacation, buy a good but small and high-resolution digital camera for easy carrying with you all the time. Take at least 200 pictures on each trip and put them for sale on Shutterpoint.com. There are a few other websites where you can put your photos for sale. Check them out by doing a Google search. And idea number 7. Participate in paid survey. But don't pay to join any program for paid survey. Use Google to search for paid survey and visit a dozen paid survey websites. Review their offerings and write those down. Now search Webmaster Forum in Google, and then sign up in a couple of Webmaster forums. Ask about others' experiences with paid survey companies and pick a good one. Now you have these 7 unique and easy ways to make money online. You will not make a ton of money overnight. But once you gain experiences in online money-making opportunities, you will explore other methods to earn big bucks. Thank you for watching BBC Network.